Yeah, so our state constitution does allow for the collection for the county to collect property taxes, and they're the only entity that's allowed to collect those property taxes, with the exception of some municipalities can do that as well. But
And
they
you
have
did
to
make
take
a great point to me, and I want to make that point again because you said it, but I want to make it more succinctly. The state doesn't take your property taxes.
Right.
They're not charging you property taxes.
Right.
It's the county, and like you said, some municipalities, but mainly the county
Right.
that does that through the county assessor's office.
That's right. And if municipalities want to collect a property tax, they have to take that to a vote of the people. And it's only applicable, obviously, within the boundaries of that municipality. So the difference between that and the way state income taxes are protected here is that state income taxes were instituted statutorily. So what we're looking at here in this piece of legislation is something that the legislature can actually do and have an effect immediately, whether it's a gradual approach to eliminating the taxes like what I've proposed in the bill, and we can talk about that some more in a bit. We can adjust state income taxes statutorily. What we can't do as a body of legislators is change the Constitution. We can't do that directly. However, and there's more to come on this, I want you to put a pin in this thought. We're going to come back to this hopefully at a later time. But what could happen is that legislators could introduce a bill that would take to the vote of the people either an adjustment to the property tax constitutional provisions and or a replacement type mechanism in some sense to get us away from paying property taxes so that what we buy is ours and stays ours. So, I mean, that is something that the legislature can do is take that to a vote of the people, but they got to work that through the process like they do a regular bill. The other way to get this done is through, like what Wendy said, was through a petition. I got that question yesterday from a young lady up in Osage County. She was asking, well, if you didn't eliminate state income tax through legislative means, is this something that the people could do themselves, or should they do that? And of course I responded with, the people always have the prerogative under the provisions of our Constitution to change the Constitution however they want.